Hello everyone! Share ko lang. Naniniwala ba kayo na pagkatapos ng pagsubok ay pagpapala? Most of the time, yung problems natin in life, it is God's doorways of blessing, 'di ba? But during circumstances or trials in our lives, minsan, nafe-feel natin na parang matatapos ba to? Lalo na kapag minsan nandiyan pa yung problema, may daragdag na naman, 'di ba? But I was reminded by the word of God in Exodus 33 verse 14. And the Lord answered, I myself will go with you and I will give you victory. 'Di ba? Mismong ang Lord ang nagsabi na sasamahan niya tayo at bibigyan niya tayo ng katagumpayan. So naniniwala ako, whatever the challenges that we are facing right now, kung nasa kalagayan man tayo na sobrang hirap ng sitwasyon, just be reminded that the Lord is with you and He will give you victory. Matatapos at matatapos yan, magkakaroon ng katagumpayan. Basta kapit ka lang at maniwala ka lang sa Kanya. That's all. God bless you.